one is from Mr. Beast, which is the Feastables, which is one of my favorites, but we're going to be comparing these two. And yeah, so you also have the IKEA chocolate bar, just so you know it's from IKEA. Here's the label. And this one's like fatter, which I think is one piece is like actually bigger and it fills you up more, but Mr. Beast bar is like very fast to eat and it's very thin. So there's also, we have the glass of water, so you know that we're going to drink just to take away the taste of the these two, so we don't mix. And here's my brother Eli, which we're having today, and tasting the chocolate. The only reason he's here is to eat the chocolate because he wants to. And yeah, so let's get to trying. So we opened on this one. Looks like inside it's actually very cool, and I like the little cute details to put. And as you can see, this one's a little bit smaller. This one's actually, you can eat more and enjoy more. This one's very small, the skinny. What I thought was kind of cool, that somewhere over here says share, but over here says devour. So for those who don't know how the Mr. Beast bar is, so let's try it. It's like, it tastes like, I don't know, it's not like that much of a milk chocolate, it's not that sugary. It's like, I don't know, it's very good. Now we switch, so we're gonna see which one we like better. This time I'm trying this, the IKEA chocolate, and he's trying the Feastables. So let's go ahead and try. That's a big piece. This one, like, it tastes like it has more like sugar. I like it, but it feels like it has more sugar. And it's very easy to break and affordable. It's cheaper than the Feastables. If you have IKEA in your place, wherever you live, well, then you should try to buy this. And honestly, I'll put a thumbs up to this one. And the one that I think is better is, I have no idea. They're both super good, but he likes more the Feastables because he's a big fan of Mr. Beast. I like the Feastables too, because it's not like, you didn't feel it in this one. That's more sweet, but this one's like, it tastes like more natural, but also only has four. This one has only 4 ingredients. This one has like, like it looked like it's just food. Like, like, I don't know, like more ingredients to this. Like this one's actually just a few on this side, and yeah. But the one if you don't want high calories, let's see which one has high calories. This one has 170. And this one too, so they're both the same. So there's no difference. Overall, Mr. Beast wins again. Gordon Ramsay, honestly, if you're gonna watch this video, you should try Mr. Beast Feastables again. The original is one of the best. Better than Hershey's. Well, bye guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.